everybody! Today I'll show you the easiest way to join granny squares. I'll use a light color to make it very clear to you. Now make a slip knot. Put the yarn in between the granny squares and insert the hook into the front loop in this corner. And the front loop into the other side. Yarn over and pull through all the loops together. Insert the hook into the front loop in this side and into the front loop from the other side. Yarn over and pull through all the loops together. And repeat. And here's the last one. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow.